fish, discus fish. E is for electric eel, electric eel, electric eel. F is for flounder, a flounder, flounder. G is for garfish, a garfish, garfish. H is for herring, herring, herring. I is for Indian glassfish, Indian glassfish, Indian glassfish, Indian glassfish. J is for jackfish, jackfish, jackfish. K is for killifish, killifish, killifish. L is for lionfish, lionfish, lionfish. M is for mahi, 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 mahi. N is for needlefish, needlefish, needlefish. O is for oscarfish, oscarfish, oscarfish. P is for pufferfish, pufferfish, pufferfish. Q is for queen angelfish, queen angelfish, queen angelfish. R is for rainbow fish, rainbow fish, rainbow fish. S is for swordfish, swordfish, swordfish. T is for tuna, tuna, tuna. U is for unicornfish, 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 unicornfish. V is for vampire tetra, the vampire tetra, vampire tetra. W is for ras, ras. X is for X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra. Y is for yellowtail snapper, yellowtail snapper, yellowtail snapper. Z is for zebra daniel, zebra daniel, zebra daniel.